Welcome to Qatar Airways Business Class on the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Flying from Delhi to Berlin with a stopover in Doha. We received a beautiful amenity kit from the French brand Diptyque. Inside, there was facial mist, hand lotion, lip balm, and more. We were also handed soft pajamas, along with a cozy blanket and pillow, perfect for the long journey ahead. After unpacking, we got ready for takeoff. The private suites on this flight are fantastic. You can even close the door for extra privacy. We relaxed in our seats, watched a few movies, and really enjoyed the space. The food selection was excellent. We started with some drinks and later had a beautifully presented meal. Everything was delicious, and the service was great throughout the flight. After landing in Doha, we had access to the exclusive Qatar Airways Business Class lounge.